Just a minor exhaust leak.
Yeah, just a minor exhaust leak.
Now after this run, it's going to be a little bit larger.